How trading only one pair made me a six-figure trader. When I first got involved in the propfirm space, I was trading multiple pairs at the same time. I was trading GG, GBP AUD, AO NZD, a lot of different pairs. But back then, I wasn't passing those challenges because I was focused on trading multiple pairs at the same time. But something happened. My breakthrough happened when I started to focus on only one pair, GBP JPY. And after focusing and giving all my attention to GBP JPY, I started to get funded left and right and having a funded account back to back. I started the year with $0 in funding, and now after 6 months, I managed over 6 figures. And this is because I focused on only trading one pair. I gave all my attention, all my time to this pair. And in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I did it and how you guys too can do it. So there's gonna be two parts of this video. The first part is gonna be about the benefits of trading only one pair. The first benefit about trading one pair is that there is no distraction. You focus on only one pair, so all your attention, all your energy is only focused on one pair. And if you focus on one pair, you will understand better that pair. Because you focus on this pair, you give all your time. So now you understand better how this pair moves. You understand better if there is a certain move that may happen because of news. You may understand where price can go up or down. And by focusing on only one pair, you will understand that not every day is a trading day, and you will be very patient with your setup. And by being patient, we start focusing on only taking high probability setups. If you trade so many pairs at the same time, there is a high probability that you will take a trade almost every day. But by focusing on only one pair, you will see that you won't force a trade because you won't see a setup almost every single day. And the third point about the benefit of trading only one pair, like I was saying, if you trade the pair, focus on only the pair and you will understand better that pair. You will also have a high probability of success because you will understand that that pair works for you, because every time you trade that pair over a series of like 10, 20 trades, 50 trades, even 100 trades, you will see that over a series of those trades you win most of the time, or even if you lose most of the time, you are still profitable if you have a higher risk reward ratio. And this is how you understand that you need to focus only trading one pair. So if you're trading multiple pair right now, make sure that you go to your history and check for each pair. Which pair make me win the most? Which pair make me lose the most? And you will understand how to focus your energy and everything that you need to do to become a successful trader. Because trust me, you can make money with only one pair. You don't need to trade every pair that you see on the chart. I am now going to talk about the disadvantages of trading one pair. Personally, at first, when I was trading multiple pairs, I thought that was the big thing, because if you trade multiple pairs, you can have multiple wins, but it also means that you can have multiple losses. So trading multiple pairs for some may work, but I don't think for most traders is the right way, like the right plan to do. So the first point about the disadvantage of trading only one pair is that it can be boring. I know it can be boring because you have to be patient, you have to be so patient, and don't even look at the chart like most of the time, because there's only one pair to trade. So if there's no setup, there's no setup. If you're trying to force out looking at the chart for a longer period of time, you will take a trade and it will end up in a loss because there is no setup. But since you want to take a trade, you want to feel that dopamine, you feel like addicted to trading. And it's normal because as a day trader myself, I trade most of the time. I don't trade every day, but I can trade 3 or 4 or 5 days. So it's a lot of times that I trade every week. So if today, for example, I feel like trading and there's no setup, I may look at the chart for a long time, but since then I've been trading one pair for a long time, I felt that there's no need for me to spend my time looking at the chart because I won't see anything. Usually if you see a good trade, you will catch this trade in like 1 or 2 minutes. You will see the chart and you will see, oh, okay, there is a good trade that's coming right here. But if you're looking at the chart and you don't see nothing, it means nothing is happening. And a lot of stuff happens in the market, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna happen every day. The market can move today and tomorrow the market can range. The market is just tired. So you need to understand that, understand how the market works and understand how the market moves, and understand that trading multiple pairs won't make you a profitable trader. But trading a pair that works for you, a pair that make you money because you understand how it moves and you understand how it reacts to news. This pair can take you for a long time in a good space where you will be always profitable no matter what. Thank you for watching.